Students, welcome back once again in my PLC class. In the last class, we had seen how ladder logic is used to switch on and off a motor or a bulb. We had connected the bulb in the output of the PLC, and we had shown how it can be made on and off using the start push button and stop push button. We had used the two push buttons. Now the same scheme, there will be one alternate. Today I will tell you about the another scheme for the another solution for the same problem. Like if this I 0.1, for the stop push button, if I am making this as like this, I am using the NC contact, then also this scheme will work. But now you just see, if I press this start push button, power will flow like this. Now initially, see, the NC contact means in the ladder logic it will work as an inverter. Physically this contact stop push button should be in the off state, means it should be switched off, then only this will be high. So when I press this one, the power will flow like this. If it is initially off in the physical state, then this power will flow like this, and this coil will be on. And the same, motor, this coil will be on, relay will be on. The contact of this Q0.0, we had, as earlier we had used, same we are using here, Q0.0, 0.0, and this is in parallel. It will work as a latch. Now you have released this thing, power will flow like this, like this, like this. But the difference in the scheme, ladder logic, which we had used yesterday and today, this contact earlier we had used as NO contact. Today we are using this as NC contact. Now see how to connect this in physical state in the PLC. If the same stop push button I am using, if I am using this stop push button in NC position in the physical state, then initially this is high, this is sensing high, I 0.1, second input, this will sense high, and here it will be low, so power will never flow. So to make this power flow, so that it should reach to this coil, and it should make this relay on and output on, we have to make this stop push button in the physical state as open. It should be in open position. Like this. So initially it should be off. So once it is off, means no 24 volt DC, no power is being sensed by the second input of the PLC. It means it is off state, so it will be high. Here it will be high. So now if you are pressing this fellow, this will be on, this will be on, power will flow like this, and this coil will be on, because initially this is off. This you have to be very much careful while connecting the physical connection in the PLC. In the PLC, the input number second should not get any power initially. Then only this will be high. This can be, we can do the simulation also in our computer. There we can make initially this as low, and we will toggle this fellow, make this on and off. We will see that output will be on. We can do the simulation also. So you can say there are two such type of schemes to start and stop of a bulb or the motor. Here I can connect the motor also. Here the coil of the motor will get the same connection, and here will be the coil of the motor. And motor, if it is a three phase, power connections we will have to give the power connections for R, Y, B for the three phase. So like that we can solve the different problems using the ladder logic. Here we have used only the contacts and the coils. So, dear students, if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment box. एंड यदि पसंद आया आपको वीडियो तो आप जरूर इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और कमेंट भी करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करिए. इस तरह से शॉर्ट वीडियोस इन डिफरेंट क्लासेस आई विल बी अपलोडिंग इन माय यूट्यूब. So in the next class we will see we will come with some other problem, other exercise. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.